this very interesting French series on French immersion. We're going to call it French Avenir.
The first thing we're going to be learning is the French grammar. In this very first segment, we're going to be covering all the French grammar in just 5 hours, the very first week. And we're going to be looking over all the French rules in grammar. And I know it sounds overwhelming, but I don't want you guys to spread it out or memorize anything or try to memorize anything. Don't pay much attention to details. I just want you to tag along and enjoy it. But it's going to be really overwhelming, and it might sound a little bit boring to some extent, but this is the prerequisite to the subsequent fun segments that we have in this course. Because this course is about experiential learning of French, rather than the thick and tiring grammar courses that you might go through in school, university, or any other French courses that really just focus on grammar and writing and no compass. Because when you go to a city or country where people speak French, you'll have to know how to speak French. I'm going to show you guys a secret to learning French in just 1 month, but I'm not going to reveal the secret until the second week, where we start with the stories and the movies and the music. Because in this course, we're not going to be studying hard, we're going to be studying smart. So next up, as you might have guessed, is story. We're going to be covering Voltaire's Only Candide. And this is a very amusing and satirical story. It is compact with life lessons. It's shrouded in satirical tones. It's going to be super fun. Really, really good, and I really enjoy it. I'm going to walk you through it as well. And next up, we're going to be having music and movies, which is the major component of this course. First of all, I'm going to be choosing my section of movies, which are going to be very popular French movies, and then I'm going to let you guys choose any movie you like. We can even do English movies, because in Netflix, English movies have French subtitles as well, so and French and French audio as well, so we can also work on those. The French story, the movies, and the bonus theater plays are all going to be interactive. I'm going to have Zoom sessions on the weekend where we can come together, and the bonus component I'm going to be announcing later during the course, where I'm going to be assigning roles, and they are based on the story I have adapted for a theatrical play. All those components, the story, the music, the movies, and the theater play are going to be on Zoom. I'm going to be providing the link starting next week. But this week, you have to be patient with me. I have to go through the grammar. Right after that, we're going to be starting with the fun part of this course. So you're going to be learning French, and you'll be able to converse in French and listen to French and be comfortable in French in just only 1 month. Again, this is a strategy that I will reveal to you next week. It's a strategy that I have developed over the last couple of years, and I found it to be really effective. People have an exponential, explosive improvement in French right after implementing this strategy. So I look forward to see you in the next segment, where we're going to be starting with the grammar. Take care and have a nice day.